say there's Mom back there in the back.
The mom.
And Dad. I don't know if I'm getting Dad very well. I don't know. There we go. So we picked them up at the condo. And now we are almost to Chick-fil-A because Cova wants out of the car really bad. And I think, Cova, do you want to eat? You want to eat? Okay.
Yes, Robert's made of rubber.
There's Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, cheeky baby.
Oh, no, I can't go in that way. Okay.
Yeah, you can.
Nope, they have it blocked off. Come in that way.
Could have went in the back way.
Right here.
It's busy.
Of course it is.
All Chick-fil-A's are busy.
Well, it's also Chick-fil-A near Broadway at the beach in Myrtle Beach. Like, it's gonna be busy.
Right there.
Can you say cheese? Cheese? Yeah, you cheese in the camera? Is that Peppa?
Papa?
Ooh, like Mama's, don't you? Yeah. You just wait till you get on the cruise. There's all kinds of vanilla ice
You
cream.
didn't like that key lime, did you?
Oh, he just likes the vanilla better.
Mama likes. You want some more? Want some more ice cream? Huh? Okay, here we go.
Cova, is that a good milkshake?
Say it's extra good because it's Mama's.
Are you? Are you hitting your hands? Cova, can you say hey?
Oh, you live in Virginia Beach? Is your dad in the Navy?
He's a pilot. Mommy's staying.
He's a pilot?
Mommy's pregnant.
Mommy's pregnant.
Yep.
Yeah.
And he's fly without a pilot. And also, there is a car. Just for you, birthday. And guess what? I also found a ball in this area.
Ooh! Oh!
No way. That too is where people start to get frightened. That big too. It's where people start to get frightened. Yes.
No, you.
Oh, yeah. No,
Cova.
home with dirty clothes. That's what Mommy was thinking.
Do you want to go for a ride? So this is what I was talking about on the cruise. I would hang my umbrella stroller up in the extra closet to keep it kind of out of the way. If I could decorate my house and I had like unlimited money, I would decorate it like how this condo is decorated. Like, look at how pretty this pillow is. I love that. Where are we going, Cova? Are we going to the pool? Who's taking you to the pool? Is it Papa? This one? Okay. It's a shark! really didn't. He just put his face in the water and didn't care. Is that Carter? Okay. Here, you want to jump to Peppa? Woo! Woohoo! You want to do it? I did see your trick. You want to do it again? All right, we're making our late night trip to Walmart. Mylia, Mom. We're getting cold groceries and Easter supplies.
We're procrastinators.
Easter's tomorrow, and we haven't got our stuff for Easter.
It's okay, because it's fine. The babies would have seen it in the car.
We gotta find one. You don't push buggies. Oh, here they are. I even made sure I was good and hid Cova's bucket when I was getting stuff out of the car so the kids wouldn't see. You were good. Wait, here's bunnies. Oh, there's peanut butter bunnies.
Let's go to the Easter
Lemon
aisle.
pucker.
This isn't all that's left, is there? There has to be a whole Easter aisle. Are we the worst people in the world?
We are.
What if our
pretty bad.
kids have crappy?
Oh, no, right there. There's the Reester bunny.
Is that what you're getting?
I was getting Cova a Reester bunny.
I want to get Reester bunnies because I like the name, but my kids don't all eat that. Emma does, but okay, let's go to the Easter aisle.
The Reester aisle. Okay.
You're a Reester.
Oh wait, Cova likes these too.
Stop it.
This is why I'm a fast shopper and you're a slow shopper.
You don't know what.
How do I know we're going the right way? It's the Reester bunny.
Oh look, there you go.
Myrtle Beach. Let's see.
Look at you. Ran into me like 3 times.
If you forget where you are, you can buy a bathing suit that tells you so they know where to
It's
take you
not
back to.
recording because the screen. There's nothing.
There's some. There's here. Ooh, I'm putting some Cadbury mini eggs in his because I like them.
But I need a bucket.
You need buckets. All right. Look, you just knocked it over. Peeps. Do your kids like Peeps?
They do.
Peeps.
getting really concerned.
My Leah's freaking out just a little because there's not a whole lot left to pick from. Those are kind of big and gonna take up a ton of space. I haven't looked that hard yet. I need to get some Hershey Gold below you. Does Carter like Starburst?
Yeah, that's what
There's Starburst down here. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. There's
Just like
Starburst.
Skittles and Starburst.
Yep.
Let me get the Easter Bunny, and then we can look for different footballs. I just didn't want to come all the way
Back.
And then I thought I could get him a book.
Okay. Are you feeling less worried now?
No, because they still won't have grass.
Maybe we could just take a little bit of grass out of Cova's bucket and like put it in all three and like somehow split it up.
That's not gonna happen.
Why not?
I'm a terrible parent.
You're not terrible. You're just a procrastinator.
You were supposed to hold the buggy still, oh my god. You failed.
Find you sunglasses.
Yes, I'm ready. I feel like these are small.
They're not small.
Do they look good?
I think they look fine.
You don't feel like these are tiny?
No, let's go find fruit.
Your fruit.
Your fruit.
Can I get Tyler a pair? Why are they $12?
Well, we can go look in the jewelry
We're
section.
gonna keep.
Alright, Miley and I got the Easter bunny, Easter baskets from the Easter bunny. They're done, so here is Cova's and Carter's,
Thank you very much. Honey bun.
Emma's, Levi's, and then we had extra candy, so we sprinkled it.
Wanted the Easter bunny to bring you.
What is it,
About
Cova?
that, but I don't know if he necessarily liked it.
No, he loves Reese cups. Hey guys, who came and brought you stuff?
Easter bunny.
The Easter bunny. He brought you all kinds of stuff.
Is it cool?
How did he know we were at the beach?
Yeah, I'm not, how do you know?
Huh?
How did Easter Bunny know you did
He's magic.
That's what I was gonna say.
Cova, don't bite the plat. Here, put that back. Here, Dad. Papa has your Reese cup.
No, I don't want it.
You want this?
Okay.
You want these? Say, Papa, I'll eat that one.
I didn't want to eat candy.
Do not grab the coffee. Here,
It's cold.
Happy Easter.
Cova, chocolate bunny.
Oh, that's a marshmallow bun.
It is. There you go. Eat it.
You didn't do
Can't believe.
Yeah, come here.
I'm gonna tell you what happened.
Let's see if we can hear it. Open your mouth.
Leah. And I know who does.
what?
Tell you what happened.
That matter may have taken up in the fridge.
It did.
You may need to add a little bit of milk.
Cova, are you ready to eat? Eat. I am out here on the little balcony outside the room I was staying in. It's not as windy today. It's gonna kind of show you guys. So like that's the view through there. You can see the ocean, and also on this side we have a parking lot and street view, but the ocean is over there too. So not bad. And then this is coming back into the room. Cova, Cova, what are you eating? My. Cova, what are you eating? Are you eating berries?
got purse.